Hello guys, it's Temple Obona again from Java TV Hustle channel, and in today we will be continuing from our series, which is series of accounts that you can use to receive money online from the online space. Now we have created a PayPal account, we've created a Gray account, we've created a Payoneer account. Today we will be creating another account. Now, like I said, if you've missed any of this video before, please, it will be showing on the screen right now for you to get a recap on it. Now, these are accounts that I've tested myself. There are numerous accounts out there, but I took out my time to test them myself. Now, some of them will need you to complete them from the phone, because I'm using my system right now, so it will prompt you to go back to your phone, but those are basic details. But this particular one that we are creating right now will be done on my system. So please and please, without further ado, I know you would love this video. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, because you will be helping us grow. Please and please, without further ado, let's take this video to the next level, because I wouldn't want to waste so much time. So the next video we'll be talking about is, or the next app we'll be talking about is Payeer. Now, Payeer is the direct alternative for PayPal. So if you're having issues with PayPal, which I know you shouldn't be having any issue with PayPal right now, because having a PayPal account is as easy as anything. I created a video, is showing right now. In fact, I created my personal video, and I have another video which I already uploaded, which I and my brother Nick Finance created. So having a PayPal account is very easy. You can watch the two videos and then compare and contrast, and then you make your desired choose. So having a PayPal account is not easy, but then if you feel having a PayPal account is difficult, or it has a lot of restriction, this particular account is a direct alternative for you. So now let's jump right into it. Now you input your email. For the sake of this video, I'll be using this one. Okay, I'll be using this email, and then okay, they will send you a code, which I think they've sent to my account already. Let's see. Not yet. It hasn't. Okay, good. It's here. 01378. Create an account. Now you'll be given a password and a passcode. Now look at it. But then you can really rephrase or change your password, of course, to your desired one. Okay, change your password to your desired one. Okay, and your passcode and your pass pin. Now your account name also, you can change your account name to whatever you want to change it. And you are good to go. Jara TV Entertainment is busy. Okay, let's use another one. Jara TV Hustle. You understand? Let's try Jara TV Hustle and see what comes out of it. Okay, Jara TV Hustle. Let's see if this works. Okay, it works. Then after that, you go with your name. It's a very easy account to create, very easy, but then it's effective. So your name and then country, and let's see where this takes us. Voila, so you have your account. You understand, this is a very easy and a very swift account to have. You understand, very nice. Now you have every single, in fact, save you can do a lot with this account. Like you can do a lot with this account right now. Now your details, because this secret code is very important, you can download it. See, this account is easy. Now you have a lot of options. Now you can add add cash from here. You can add from crypto. Look at it. You can add from any account you want right now. So choose a method. You can choose bitcoins and every other method. You can even choose through MasterCard or PayPal, or for adding your account. So this is another account that you can use. In fact, this one is the direct alternative of PayPal, or a little bit better than PayPal right now. You understand? So we have come to the end of this particular video right now. It's as short as whatever it is, but then it's precise. So it's very easy to create. I think this is the best one anyone can use right now. You understand? So please and please and please do like, subscribe, click the bell notification icon, because I know I will be creating 2 more accounts, and then that will be it for this series. So please and please, until we meet again, remember, Java TV Entertainment is the one for you. Java TV Entertainment loves you, but God loves you best. Thank you and thank you.